Hello viewers, this is your tutorial on how to automate group unjoiner on Facebook using Socinator. This will help you unjoin groups you no longer want to be a part of or you joined by mistake. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Facebook account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the account configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Facebook through Socinator. Let's click Group Unjoiner. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to unjoin a number of groups within a period of time while narrowing them down in a process. There are several configuration categories for Group Unjoiner activity. Let's begin with the Group Unjoiner source. So you have the option to choose groups added by software, so groups joined by Socinator. You may also choose groups added outside software, so groups you joined yourself. Let's select the first one. Next, we have source filters, so check this box if you want the request to have been sent before a specific number of days and hours. The next category is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should unjoin groups. We have already created a few activity speed configurations, which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 16, medium with 41, fast with 66, or super fast with 125. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each Facebook group is unjoined. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after unjoining the number of groups you set, and unjoin number of groups per job. Unjoin number of groups per job will allow you to specify the number of Facebook groups you want to unjoin per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of Facebook groups you want to unjoin per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box if you want to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of unjoin max groups per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep unjoining groups even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide a start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m., click Add Interval, and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it Facebook Group Unjoiner and click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing Facebook Group Unjoiner. The last tool is Group Filter. This allows us to filter the groups we want to unjoin on Facebook. So the first one is group type, so you can specify if it's a public group or a private group. Next is group joined by my friends, so if you want to unjoin groups joined by your friends, then check this box. Finally, you can specify the member range of the groups you want to unjoin. So enter the minimum and maximum number of members of the groups you want to unjoin. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start unjoining groups on Facebook, let's scroll up and click Save. Success. Then let's click the Status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating group unjoiner on Facebook using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Facebook. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Grow Groups tab. Select Group Unjoiner on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Facebook Group Unjoiner. For Group Unjoiner source, let's select Group added by software or Socinator. For source filter, it's up to you. For job configuration, let's select Slow. And for group filter, let's select Public Group and Groups Joined by My Friends. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select Account or Accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Facebook accounts. Since we only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click the box of the account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Facebook group Unjoiner campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.